If you find your Netflix account restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Netflix account notifications for any messages regarding the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction to prepare your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect any relevant information that supports your case. This may include your account details, payment history, and any communication you've had with Netflix regarding the issue. Step 3. Visit the Netflix Help Center. Go to the Netflix Help Center on their website. Look for the section related to account restrictions or appeals to find specific instructions on how to proceed. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions provided to submit your appeal. Fill out any required forms and include the information you gathered in Step 2 to strengthen your case. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Netflix to respond. They may take some time to review your case, so keep an eye on your email for updates. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Netflix can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure to provide all necessary information and be patient while awaiting a response.